Let's see how many traffic signs you can recognize. Let's start. No entry for vehicular traffic. Ahead only. Traffic merges from the right. No waiting. Turn left ahead. No through road. Junction. Bend to left. Vehicle exceeding width prohibited. Vehicle exceeding length prohibited. Minimum speed. Maximum speed. Cycle route ahead. End of Dalkirk Way. Road narrows on both sides. No cycling. Side road from left. Traffic merges from the left. Deep. Uneven road. Steep ascent. Steep descent. No vehicles carrying explosives. No motor vehicles. Road narrows on the left. Road narrows on the right. Bend to right. Turn right ahead. Hump bridge. Cross roads. Strategic junction. Tunnel. Zebra crossing. Stop. Pedestrians ahead. Side road from right. No stopping. One-way traffic. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and good comment.